What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great weekend, because I am, and it's really nice here in Kansas. And today we're going to do some work on the SS. Now, as a lot of you probably didn't see in one of my previous videos, I talked about doing the exhaust on the SS. Now that there is the MagnaFlow muffler off the truck, and we're going to replace it with these straight pipes. And for those of you that don't know, the truck has long tube headers on it, and then it goes into some, they're either resonators or glass packs. I'm not 100% sure which one, but it was all set up the way it is when I bought the truck. And then it went into this MagnaFlow muffler, which is why the truck's so quiet right now. So when you take the muffler off, it really makes things come to life. So what's going to happen here is I'm going to have my neighbor over there, who is a professional welder. He's going to hopefully cut these exhaust flanges off of both sides of the muffler and then weld them up to these pipes, and of course have them cut down to the length that this muffler is so that they can go right in the spot. Now, if we go back here on the back of the truck, my SS is done like most SS's, and the exhaust pipes come out behind the passenger rear tire. But what I want to do in the future, which is what was done to this truck prior to me owning it, is it swung out and came out right there where the bumper's cut out. I have quad tips for the truck now, so when I swing it back out here, it's going to be cut out even more, and there will be 4 tips like a Corvette. But we're probably not going to get that far today, because as you can see under there, I'll have to cut it off where it's welded there. Probably just have to flip them over after I cut them to where the 90 comes back towards the driver's side. That way those pipes will come to the center, and I'll have to have a bend put in them or cut them and put an elbow to bring them out in the center of the bumper. But like I said, we're not going to do that today. We're just going to replace the muffler with those straight pipes and probably go out and rip it around town a little bit, see how well it sounds. Well, muffler's out, straight pipes are in. You guys know what that means. It's time for a cold start. So that's gonna wrap things up for this video, guys. If you enjoyed today's content, smash that like button. Leave your thoughts and comments on the new exhaust setup down below. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. And just like that, we'll catch you guys in the next one.